How government go take arrange how to spend money and everything when they go do. When we say people for the country go happy and money go they enter different people pockets and the economy go they grow. We don't talk, I'm already say our Oga Presido and the APC when we promise Nigerians plenty change if they enter on May 29, 2015. They don't talk, I'm saying that they take their time to draw up the 2016 budget. Sake of say that budget, it go there different. The budget, they call them the budget of change because they talk say, I go speak English, it go be deviation from what we they see before. But it gets one gist when it can happen after Oga Presido carry in 2 legs and in 2 hands go submit the budget, symbolic for the National Assembly. We be here one gist, say somehow, the budget disappear. Plenty Nigerians come and talk say, wait, the budget na pin, I been a key holder. When we say full budget, go disappear like that for inside our National Assembly.
Suddenly develop
wings.
No, growth for leg, can't get leg. You know, just waka confidently, come out from the National Assembly. Waka go stroll out, saying go stroll out, and after a while, I can't return back. Now waiting probably play out with that.
But as our legislators then come, they ask question from the office of the presidency, information come and come talk say, now then withdraw the budget so that they go fit do some kind things before they send them back. People come talk say, okay. But some Nigerians come stand on top of mountain, they shout, say, this withdraw, when they withdraw, make Nigerians they very, very vigilant. I mean, they're very, very careful. But as we come, they see them now, it be like say something don't they happen. And the governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele the Rock, that is Peter Fayoshe, in talk person, Ogalere Olayinka don't come out, come talk say, from the way when we say Nigerians don't check this budget, come they see say things don't they different. Say this 2016 budget na national embarrassment. I go talk am again. He said na national embarrassment. Sake of say, it be like say some kind figure when they inside the budget, it different from the one when we say they submit before. People come they talk say Ayodele Fayoshe, you talk too much. You are always talking. But it get another significant thing when can happen, when can make Nigerians they take this talk serious. The Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewale, he don't come out, come talk, say, excuse me. He say, excuse me, I don't lie. I mean, I will not, he say, excuse me, I will not lie. Say, waiting them submit when he know. Say, he don't different from waiting in the see inside this particular budget. To use in word, he talk, say, rats don't doctor this particular budget. That is to talk, say, monkey hand, baboon hand, chimpanzee hand, snake hand, crocodile hand, mosquito hand don't enter inside this particular arrangement. And make we not forget, say, our senators them, it get 110 billion when they just see from nowhere inside the Ministry of Education for something when we say, it be like say, it no get title at all. Now, the question when they ask, we say, this 2016 budget, she na abracadabra, abi it be like say, we go need to wash our eyes where to see waiting we know they see inside. Nkubi, over to you.
Well, over to me. Chukudi, you don't state them. A lot of things don't play out from the submission.
Excuse me, please. Not the, excuse me. See, because I take things easy with you here. No me say, you come, they use my head, they play Ludo. I know why I talk, say, Nkubi, over to you. And you know why I talk, say, Nkubi, over to you. Nkubi, address that over to you, that I over to you. Not going to tell me, say, Chukudi, you don't address her. What do you mean by Chukudi, you don't address her? Is this the change and deviation when we talk about? When we say 2016 budget, we're going to see different things inside. Nkubi, address this question or else I will come on suit for you. I mean, you will get problem on top of this show.
Hi. I tell him at home. I don't suffer for this. I don't. Chukudi, see, I will beg your pardon. I see, in as much as me and you day here on this platform, they try address a very significant issue where they affect our nation, Nigeria. I go beg you. I go beg you. I emphasize on the begging. Boldly emphasize on the begging. I go beg you, please. Please and please. Anything that has to do with me addressing a particular issue. You throw something to me. Not my right to address and do I want to address them. If I call your name and say you good, you don't talk of it. Come pick them up from there. Come on, talk good in my mind. Now, bad thing. I never even like finish. You don't pick on me. What is the meaning of all this? What have I done to you?
You dey vex, you dey shake. I mean, you dey vex, dey shake for.
Chukudi, please, just please, for God's sake, God, we will they worship. And for your own sake, we be human. We be Chukudi, Cyprian, Ezugu.
Why they call my full name?
Why not call your name? Respect yourself.
I make you call my full name.
Respect yourself.
I make you call my full name.
Respect yourself.
Victor Udochukwu Nwogo Ngubi. You think that you go come television, they call my full name?
Allow me to address this matter the way and manner I feel I can address it.
The way and manner.
The way Nigerians would want to listen to
I'm watching you. You can't dribble around this story. You go see what I go do you today. Answer, address this. I will hold my peace.
Thank you, Nigerians. Let me now address this matter the way I think I should address it.
You think you should address it? Okay, I'm watching. One.
Well, Chukwu, you don't talk. I will still take another thing. You don't talk with your talk. Yes, and we don't still say yes. And a lot of them abracadabra, if I go use that same word, don't play out for the budget thing. From the submission and to the eventual inviting of each minister, each minister to come do it, to come defend their budget, to the unfolding, to the recent unfolding of waiting no day and waiting day, waiting people don't add up to waiting people never add up. According to the Minister of Health, we don't come up unfold a lot of things. We also call for the suspension, or rather the suspension of this budget by the Senate. We go talk say yes, it is a good cause to say make them investigate inside this matter. But this is still what I want to stand on. If at the end of the investigate, the country says somehow, people they take our own national budget, they take and play, say look, now their papa property. They fit define the factor, define the way they will take run Nigeria, as if na their estate. If nothing is being done about these people who infiltrate, or rather, who tamper with this budget, then we will not say, I'm not going to talk this thing.
Unkubi, please.
I have addressed it.
You have not addressed it, oh?
I have addressed it.
You have not addressed it.
I have reacted to it.
Okay, Unkubi.
No.
Wait, don't tell me say no. Don't tell me say no.
Don't tell me no. Look, I will stand up. Chukudi. Look, on this program, live program, mind yourself. I never for one stand up on this program say I did not meet you. If not, mind yourself, will you?
You are threatening me.
Budget, we're talking about national budget.
We don't talk about national budget. Now make you calm down.
I have come this close. Any other thing from maybe so you go expect from no go good.
Unkubi.
Yes.
Okay, go sit down.
Thank you.
Make I see how you go sit down.
No, Nigerians know that they always sit down. So I have sat. I am finally sitting down. So what you want to do? Let us talk this issue.
Unkubi.
Just bring down your voice, so respect yourself and bring down your voice. Address this issue the way it should be addressed, please.
You cannot control me on this show.
Chukudi.
Why you behave like? Why?
Neither can you also tell me what to say and what not to say.
Unkubi.
This is a very serious issue.
I know why.
I don't talk about take first talk. It's still one man. Which one man talk?
What do you take?
What do you want me to?
Unkubi, who write?
Now be the political party where put all these ministers.
Okay, Unkubi, who drafts this budget?
Various ministries
Under which government?
I don't want to know.
You don't want to. Why will you tell me you don't? Why will you tell me you don't want to know?
The point is,
why will you tell me you don't want to know?
We have a central government and we have a central party ruling this government.
Thank you very much.
Hold on. So it's not collective will.
Which collective will? I follow them draft the budget.
Not collective
People
will.
when promise say budget go be budget of change. When contract budget finish, we come dey see say 10 billion they enter. Minister of Health they talk say he don't know as this money take enter. And you are telling
Minister
me it's a collective will?
Minister of Education.
Minister of Health.
No. The one of
Minister of Health come and talk say they don't doctor the budget. How the Minister of Health going to come and talk say the wetin he submit then different from wetin they see. So what are you telling me?
So why taking personal with me?
Which one is why am I taking personal with you?
Now maybe APC.
Why you going to hide people on top of this show?
Who are they hide?
You are hiding them.
How am I hiding
them? The people
them?
that drafted the budget.
Who drafted the budget?
Okay, who will make I ask you now? I don't even vex because I was taking it easy with you. You will see my other side now.
Okay, fine. Bring it on.
You will see my other side now.
Bring it on. That other side I want to see.
You will see my other side now.
Bring it on.
Number one, your pikin go school finish. Come back with list of books. Thank you very much. And excuse me, let me land. If I dey talk, they call my name. If I use God, beg you, no they call my name. Your pikin carry.
Chukudi. I don't call him. What do you want to do? Chukwudi. Your name is slippery. Your name, Chukwudi. Chukwudi. Even one person the color, you need to strain all your voice. Chukwudi. I don't call him. Why was I not call him? I think we not get Chukwudi the colors of this program.
It's evident that you are looking for trouble. But as
Oga Temitayo, talk to us, Jerry. Mind yourself. Good morning, Oga Temitayo. Good morning, Temitayo. They hear you. Right on.
Oga Temitayo, I beg you go reduce the volume of your television so that we go hear you. We know say you don't connect.
The voice we don't raise now. Now they scare our callers.
Who they raise voice between me and you?
Now they scare our callers.
Allow Temitayo to talk now. He's sitting on top of telephone line.
Yinka, good morning. Calling us from Ikorodu.
No, going to fight this fight now. No,
I fight for Nigerian people. I don't know why they deny.
Yinka, good morning.
Nkobi, I understand your own side. I understand your own side too. But these people, they are there. They don't have any conscience.
Thank you. Tell him.
People are suffering in this country seriously, but they don't care. You see people that are supposed to be in school, they will be walking around. Children that are supposed to be in school, but they don't care because their own children is not there. They will be spoiling universities in Nigeria. They will send their own children to outside the country to go and study. This is not the way it's supposed to run in this nation. The people who produce things in local area here, they don't encourage them. The people who want to do business, they don't have money to start the business. Bank have used their interest to push these people away from the bank. Government is not doing anything about that. And we are saying there is the entrepreneur that can help the economy to grow. How will the economy grow when they don't supply money for them to start the business? You see these people that are doing something, you don't encourage them.
Thank you.
You know, this country, the only way this country can grow is when we start to fight the team within ourselves first.
Thank you very much.
Those who are there want to fight against corruption, they are already corrupt.
Okay, Yinka, thank you very much for your contribution.
Thank you very much.
Fight that I'm fighting
the point
on this show.
The point here
is 2-0. Temitope and Oga Yinka, they don't support what I talk. How person when draft budget go come out tomorrow, come and tell us say he don't know us.
Hold on.
How is it possible?
Chukwudi,
I'm leading you.
Not here to
I'm leading you 2-0.
over who is
I'm leading you 2-0.
Because in the first place, Temitope that I called earlier, not even make any pim.
From the silence. You know, they say silence is golden. You know what the silence mean? The silence means say he don't agree with everything when I talk. And Oga Yinka don't
because you are related to him.
You say
because you don't hear his voice, no waiting, he get to talk.
He was silent. What does silence mean? What does silence mean?
I beg leave let's talk about issues.
What do you want to talk about? Say 10 billion enter inside budget when we don't know where it come from. What do you want to talk about? Say Minister of Health say money when he see there, he don't know where it come from.
Now say he get some individuals where we say then get special plan for what they play out for a national, the money.
Thank you very much. Always blaming individuals, Hamatan, individuals, corruption, individuals, bad road, individuals.
Let's make a collective thing.
Which collective thing?
Okay, you are involved as well.
How am I involved?
You are involved.
I follow them draft the budget.
No, you are also involved.
You are the one. You are involved. I will finger you.
Don't you ever point your finger at me? Say which finger I even point at me? Look, please. I'm not in the mood. Oga Hafiz, good morning. Good morning, Oga Hafiz.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. I beg, please. We see the mood over there now. We know one person will go there. Just raise your voice up.
It's like they want to take us play. They are playing on our toes.
They are using us to do kalo. Tell them.
They are playing on our toes because if not be so. See, I can understand two of you because, see, as I am now, I'm an NC holder, looking for jobs. All these days, no work, nothing. I'm now a driver in one place. Is it supposed to be like that? Huh? See, this thing that they do us is no good.
Oga Hafiz, who could be you feel hear from him voice say the thing they pay now. NC hold and a person when qualified to the teach. You hear what he saying they do. And we go they see budget when who could be you know go talk to now. You know go talk to and they talk this thing now. This thing they pay me. People go think say this thing. You are threatening me. I'm telling you the truth. You are threatening me. Telling me that you will carry me up. You will lift me up.
Please.
They talk from Shomolu. I will change it for you on top of this program. I will continue to speak for Nigerians. Temitope, welcome to Asi the Hot. I know the verse.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Temitope.
And Oga Nkubi, good morning too.
Good morning.
Not even the greet Nkubi. As you the greet and they bless me.
I must greet Oga Nkubi. In fact, he's my man also.
Thank you very much.
The matter with the for ground. You know, what if you look at the past budget, where the Senate, House of Rep don't pass. You know, you will see there's a kind of party game between the presidency and the
that is the National Assembly, yeah?
Yeah, the legislature. But now, I think things don't different. That 10 billion naira, when you talk, say, waka
they no fit define as to take waka,
Yes, if this present government won't play ball with this present Senate, you no go hear about that money at all. Then go. Maybe
that one, and somebody don't even allocate that to himself.
Yes, then go plan out, then go share the money among themselves. But because at this time around, people want to play clean, and everybody want to expose themselves. If you play rough, I will expose you. If the other one can play rough, I will expose you. That's the game that is on ground now. And I will exonerate the president alone from this matter.
Okay.
Any other people can be complicit in this matter.
Exonerate the presidency out of this matter. Okay, yes. You have spoken well like
in Nigeria. He has spoken well, Abi. He has spoken well. You want to take only the last one when he talk, come pursue the other one.
No, he has...
No, you want to take the last one when he talk, pursue the other one. He has spoken well.
He has spoken well.
Exonerate the president, Abi. Exonerate the president, Abi.
Exonerate the president. Okay, maybe we can bring her to the National Assembly.
This country.
I beg you, leave your guy go. Talk to us. Good morning. So don't just make it take. Good morning, guy go.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you very well.
Thank you very much, Oga
Chukwudi, I'm not going to greet you today.
You don't already call my name. That is a greeting for me.
No. Right for the start of this program, you have not speak any truth in this program.
Oga, go from your own mouth.
No.
Will you allow him to talk?
Only your good morning. I go check out first before I go ahead.
Hey.
This country is bleeding. If the head no good, the remaining place, the remaining parts, it does spoil with that one. See, this country we are suffering. You have been fighting the fight corruption for over many months now. We agree, good. The economy of this country is dying. You don't enter market.
I know. I don't feel it. I don't enter market. I know.
They can't tell us story every time. Budget this one. If the change you promise us, Oga Okubi, if you change, please go back to your drawing board, draw the thing perfectly, plot your map, and work out something. Do something for Nigeria. Just only one thing. Just one that will give
you. I know. I beg on his behalf. I beg on his behalf.
Don't beg on my behalf.
Okay, go. Thank you.
He's a Nigerian that can speak for himself.
Nkubi, Nigerians are firing you. Nigerians are firing you left, right, and center.
No, Nigeria is firing you.
Nigerians are firing you left, right, and center.
Nigerians are only speaking their mind.
You are speaking for people that wear suits.
Nigerians are only speaking their mind.
You are speaking for people that wear suits.
What do you wear?
I'm speaking for Nigerians.
Oh, what do you wear?
I'm wearing suit. I'm wearing suit, but I'm speaking for Nigerians.
If you say you're spotless with this white suit where you wear, by the time I go handle you go say Stain go full your clothes.
Thank you, Nkubi. Person when wear white, no they fight with mechanic. You don't hear that? Person when wear white, no they do waiting, you know they fight with mechanic. I'm not going to, I'm going to speak with my mouth. I know say, now you come down, they threaten to attack me on live television. Because I was speaking the truth. You will not cover my mouth. I will continue to speak out. And Nigerians will hear.
As we take start this
Yinka, they call us back from Ikorodu. It will be 5-0 again.
Oga Yinka from Ikorodu.
Oga Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Yinka.
You dey hear me very well.
I dey hear you.
Yeah, I want to ask you one question.
Okay, go ahead.
Person will be police officer for this nation. Shey na the work wey determined to do when he dey small be that.
Thank you.
You never can tell.
No, don't answer his question.
You never can tell.
Could be answer his question.
Try to understand me. Now. May I tell you why they ask this question? Most of the people they join this police force. They join this police force because they have a bill to pay.
So
you know that they join this because they love to do the job.
Okay,
not that they join it because they want to do it. They love to do the job. That's why that they are doing the job. But because there's no work, they have to join teaching job. So many people are doing so many work in this nation because they don't have any other means to find the money.
Exactly.
So these people are there stealing money every day by day. You are telling me you want to fight corruption. Why can't you fight this one ahead of that place first before you face the people at the lower level? So many people of them, they have been taking them to court. They have not been able to do anything, and they are still with the money. And they will take the money out of the country to go and make another nation better. to go and make their economy grow. Why we are suffering here, the owner of the money? You know,
Oga
this thing
Yinka.
is unfair.
Oga Yinka, thank you very
If they
much
pay
for this
me
your
the same way
important
they pay
contribution.
you.
Nkubi is not paying you.
It is hurting me the same way
Nkubi,
it is hurting you.
you are
because
not- you are
I am
not
also a Nigerian like
Nkubi,
you.
you are not hurting. Say the truth.
I am being hurt.
Nkubi, you are not hurting.
It is hurting me
Say
as well.
the truth. Say the truth.
Oga Bola, I know say you also they hurt you the same way they hurt me. Good morning, Oga Bola. Bola, good morning.
Why he go answer you? When you are hurting. You don't use hurting for sure. Make Nigerians, Nkubi, you cannot see Nkubi. This one just be like that time when you see. It gets on things when we say there's no way where you go. There's no way where you go feel winner.
No weapon coming from you fashioned against me will ever work. If it is say you get delivered, I go stand there with you.
Nkubi, may we go break. That thing where you define.
Why you want to break?
That thing where you define. No.
Why you want suddenly go break?
I don't want to lift you up for where everybody will see
lift me up.
No, maybe we go break.
I want you to lift me up.
Maybe we go break so that you go down.
Lift me up. Lift me up.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.